Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Welcome to Jumpa Salon Vocational School Tribanda Aceh.
Thank you.
What kind of treatment do you like today?
I want my hairstyle today because today I'm going to wedding party.
We take you to the treatment room.